Hey everyone! Welcome to our latest sneaker review. Today, we're taking you on a journey through the world of Kickwho, the go-to source for top-quality sneakers that rival the originals. Kickwho offers an unbeatable selection of the most sought-after kicks. Ever dreamed of owning every Yeezy model that Adidas no longer sells? Kickwho has them all. Craving those limited edition Jordans from models 1 to 14? They've got you covered. Need every Nike Dunk colorway to complete your collection? Look no further. And let's not forget the ultra-hyped Off-Whites and Travis Scott sneakers, all available at Kickwho. Why settle for less when you can have the best? With Kickwho, you can step out in style and confidence, knowing you've got the highest quality kicks without breaking the bank. And here's something special just for you. Use my exclusive discount code DECENT20 at checkout to get $10 off your purchase. Yes, you heard that right. Save money while looking fly. Kickwho is perfect for true sneaker enthusiasts who love rocking the latest trends and saving money. Build your ultimate sneaker collection, show off your unique style, and be the trendsetter you were born to be. Elevate your sneaker game with Kickwho, where every pair is crafted with precision and passion. Don't miss out on this opportunity to wear the best without spending a fortune. Kickwho, your ultimate sneaker destination.